स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। ह्यः अस्माभिः नूतनः पाठः आरब्धः। संकल्पः सिद्धिदायकः। सिद्धिः नाम सफलता। सफलतां का ददाति? सफलतायाः दायकः कः? कः सफलतां ददाति इत्युक्ते तत्र उत्तरम् अस्माभिः प्राप्तम् आसीत्। संकल्पः एव सिद्धिदायकः। अस्माकं संकल्पः एव अस्माकं सफलतायै कारणीभूतः भवति। संकल्पः कारणीभूतः भवति। मुख्यः नाम संकल्पः। तदर्थमेव वयं सदा वदामः सत्संकल्पः कर्तव्यः। So that means always siddhi, success. Dayakaha is giver. What gives you success? Yesterday we have discussed a lot. Does the money gives you success? No. What makes you successful first and foremost is your determination. Your determination decides your success. That's why, my dear boys, from childhood onwards, you should develop such a quality that your determinations should be very strong. Generally, people determine, but always they get diluted. Determinations get diluted day by day. But that too, if you want to become a defense officer, the strong point of the defense officers is that they are highly determined. Yada sankalpaha drudaha bhavati. Very strong determination will definitely take you to the success. What makes strong determination? So for strong determination, your efforts, when you have the strong determination, you will definitely put more efforts. Because as Abdul Kalam quotes, dreams are not those which come when you sleep. Dreams are those which don't let you sleep. एवं संकल्पः अतीव दृढः स्यात् तदानीम् एव कष्टतरम् अपि साधयितुं शक्यते। एतस्य उदाहरणरूपेण एका कथा निरूपिता अस्ति, पार्वत्याः कथा। यथा भवन्तः जानन्ति, पार्वती पर्वतराजस्य पुत्री। पार्वती पर्वतराजस्य पुत्री। तस्याः माता मेना। तस्याः माता मेना। इदानीम् अहं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि। पार्वती कं पतिम् इच्छति? पार्वती कं पतिम् इच्छति? वदतु भो, भवान् वदतु। सत्यं, पार्वती शिवं पतिरूपेण इच्छति। पार्वती शिवं कस्मात् पतिम् इच्छति? पार्वती नारदवचन प्रभावात्। नारद वचन प्रभावात् शिवं पतिरूपेण इच्छति। पार्वती एतं विषयं कस्यै वदति? पार्वती एतं विषयं मात्रे वदति। अर्थात स्वसंकल्पं मात्रे वदति। तदानीं माता किं हर्षिता आसीत्? न, माता तु चिन्ताकुला आसीत्। माता तपस्यां मा चर इति किमर्थं वदति? यतः पार्वत्याः शरीरं सुकोमलम् आसीत्। कोमलतनुः आसीत् पार्वत्याः। तत् सः कोमलतनुः आतपं शीतं च सोढुं न शक्नोति इत्यस्मात् पार्वतीं माता तपस्यां मा करोतु इति वदति। तदानीं स्वगृहे एव वस, अत्रैव व्रतादिकं कुरु इत्यपि माता वदति। एतेनैव तव मनोरथपूर्तिः भविष्यति। मनोरथः नाम इच्छा, इच्छायाः पूर्तिः, भवत्याः इच्छा पूर्णा भवति। कुत्र? गृहे एव व्रतादिकं कृत्वा पूर्णं भवति इति। अद्य अग्रिमपाठं पठामः। परन्तु पार्वती अकथयत्, अम्बा शिवं पतिरूपेण प्राप्तुं तपस्यामेव करिष्यामि इति मे संकल्पः। ईश्वरः मम रक्षां करिष्यति। तपस्यार्थं कोऽपि न गृहे वसति। एवमुक्त्वा दृढनिश्चया सा पितृगृहं परित्यज्य कानने निर्मितां स्वपर्णकुटीम् अगच्छत्। शिवं च अनन्यमनसा अपूजयत्। चिरं तपस्याञ्च समाचरत्। कानने हिंस्राः पशवः विचरन्ति स्म, तथापि पार्वती निर्भया वसति स्म। यतो हि निर्भयं जनम् ईश्वरः स्वयमेव रक्षति। अद्य पुनरेकवारं पठामि। परन्तु पार्वती अकथयत्, अम्बा शिवं पतिरूपेण प्राप्तुं तपस्यामेव करिष्यामि इति मे संकल्पः। ईश्वरः मम रक्षां करिष्यति। तपस्यार्थं कोऽपि न गृहे वसति। एवमुक्त्वा दृढनिश्चया सा पितृगृहं परित्यज्य कानने निर्मितां स्वपर्णकुटीम् अगच्छत्। शिवं च अनन्यमनसा अपूजयत्। चिरं तपस्याञ्च समाचरत्। कानने हिंस्राः पशवः विचरन्ति स्म, तथापि पार्वती निर्भया वसति स्म। यतो हि निर्भयं जनम् ईश्वरः स्वयमेव रक्षति। So mother told that don't go to the forest to do the tapasya. You stay at home and whatever your desires are there, all your desires will be fulfilled. Is it? So then, see, if you want to learn the swimming, sitting on the bed, can you learn the swim? No. If you feel that water is too cold, how can you jump into the water? Can you learn the swimming? No. Same thing happened with Parvati. So mother is telling, your wishes will be fulfilled at home, but the great things are not achieved at home. Is it? For the great things, you have to do the great efforts. Parantu Parvati akathayat. Then Parvati is replying to her mother. Amba. Amba means Mata. My dear mother, Shivam Patirupena Praptum. I want Shiva as my husband. Tapasyaameva karishyami iti sankalpaha. I have determined, I decided that to get Shiva as my husband, I am going to do the penance only. Ishwaraha mama raksham karishyati. You don't worry about me. Lord Shiva only will protect me. Tapasyartam kopi na gruhe vasati. If you want to do the tapasya, nobody does tapasya at home. Tapasya can be done in the forest or in the mountain. Eva muktva dhrudha nishchaya sa. After telling dhrudha nishchaya, strong, determined, sa pitrugruham parityajya. She left father's house. Kanane. Kananam nama vanam. Aranyam. Forest. Nirmitam swaparnakutim agachat. So there she made a hut. So she went to the hut which is made in the forest. ಶಿವಂಚ ಅನನ್ಯ ಮನಸ, ನ ಅನ್ಯ ಮನಸ, ಅನನ್ಯ ಮನಸ. ಅನನ್ಯ ಮನಸ means it is just like double negative. Manasa, mind. Anya manasa, mind in others. So that means, see, he is telling lies. No, I am not telling lies. It does it. Double negative gives the positiveness. Is it? Are you lying? No, I am not lying. It doesn't mean that I am not lying. That means I am lying. Is it? Truth. Are you telling truth? No, he is not telling truth. I am not telling no truth, no. Double negative will give it. Evam bhavati bhavantah jananti eva. Ananya manasa, na anya manasa, ananya manasa means concentrating only on one thing. Ananya manaskaha. Anya manaskaha means where your mind is concentrating on others. Ananya manaskaha, you are concentrating only. You also, while you are learning, ananya manaskaha bhavantu, you concentrate only on your studies. Apujayat, she was doing the puja only for Shiva. Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Chiram tapasyam samacharat. Chiram means for a long time. Chiram tapasyam cha samacharat. She has done the tapasya for a very long time. Kanane, in the forest. Himsraha pashavaha. The animals were very cruel. Even the cruel animals, vicharantisma, they were roaming around. The cruel animals were roaming around. Tathapi Parvati nirbhaya vasatisma. Even then, Parvati without fear, nirbhaya, fearless. The Parvati was living fearless. Yatohi, why? Because nirbhayam janam Ishwaraha swayameva rakshati. If you are fearless, God will help you. God help those who help themselves. So that's what happened with Parvati. Even though cruel animals were there, she was living without fear, because the God will protect such person who is not having fear. Is it not? First of all, what makes us to fail is our own fear. That's why we always must win over the fear. That's why fearless. अजीत है, अभीत है. सैनिक स्कूल बिजापुर से ध्येय वाक्यम अस्ति, कदापि भयम न करणीयम. You should never get fear, because you are ajit and abhit. Na bhitaha, abhitaha, fearless. You have to live. That's what I think she also followed. Ajit hai, abhit hai. Punarah ekavaram patami. Parantu Parvati akatayat amba shivam patirupena praptum tapasyameva karishyami iti me sankalpaha. Ishwaraha mama raksham karishyati. Tapasyartham kopi na gruhe vasati. Eva muktva dhrida nischayasa pitrugruham parityajya kanane nirmitam swaparnakutim agachat. Shivancha ananya manasa apojayat. Chiram tapasyancha samacharat. Kanane himsraha pashavaha vicharanti sma. Tathapi Parvati nirbhaya vasati sma. Yatohi nirbhayam janam Ishwaraha swayameva rakshati. Iti adyatana paఠः अस्ति. श्वः अनन्तरपाठम् अग्रिमपाठं पठिष्यामः. भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनं. भवन्तः श्रद्धया पाठं पठन्तु. यदि नावगच्छन्ति तदानीं मम वाट्सप् संख्यां स्वीकुर्वन्तु. यत्र संशयः अस्ति तत् प्रष्टुं शक्नुवन्ति. 9480902161 is my WhatsApp number. You are always welcome to ask your doubts. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam. अन्यदेकं वक्तुमिच्छामि. आगस्ट् मासात् परीक्षाः भविष्यन्ति. तत्र श्रद्धया भवन्तः पठन्तु. परीक्षां गृहे स्थित्वा लिखितुं शक्नुवन्ति. धन्यवादाः. सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः पुनः स्वागतं, शुभस्वागतम्. अद्य वयं संकल्पः सिद्धिदायकः इति पाठस्य आरम्भं कुर्मः. Today we are going to start the new lesson, संकल्पः सिद्धिदायकः. सिद्धिः नाम सफलता. कः दायकः, कः सिद्धिं ददाति? Who will give you the success? In our school auditorium, the common topic every student speaks is the route to the success, which gives you the success. But this lesson also teaches us what gives the success. Really, what makes you successful? First of all, main thing is you have to determine yourself to be successful. For that determination, what is the decision you take at your mind? That is called sankalpaha. The strong determination always drives you towards the success. So determination is not strong with many. First of all, wishes of many people are not so strong. Wishes are two types of wishes. If I get, it will be better, is an ordinary wish. I have to get it at any cost. That is the strong wish, strong determination. The decision you take in your mind, it should be very strong. As you know, many of you, why many? All of you, when you join the 6th class in science school, want to become a defense officer. Is it? So to become defense officer, your determination should go 7 long years. What the desire you come with in your mind, it should last for 7 long years. Then you will be very successful. But will it happen? Many of our wishes, as the time passes, it also shifts. When it shifts, it is not called as a strong determination. If you really want the success, what makes you is your strong determination. That means for an ordinary wish, you have to put an ordinary effort. The saying is there, no? If you want to shine like a sun, you have to burn like a sun. Is it? So, if you wish, then what you have to do? Your effort should be too high. Your desires should be too strong. Is it not? If you want that I want a pen, simple effort is needed. Is it? If you want big wishes, your efforts also should be very big. That's what we learn from this lesson, Sankalpaha Siddhidayakaha. All of you know Shiva, Lord Shiva. Who is wife of Lord Shiva? Parvati. Parvati is the wife of Lord Shiva. Do you know how she got Shiva as a husband? Was it so easy? No, it was so difficult. Is it? Reaching, it is very difficult. That's why she has done so much hard work. Her sankalpa was very strong, so she could get Shiva. How she got, how it was, today in this lesson we are going to learn. First, let us read this line. Narada Vachana Prabhavat Parvati Shivam Patirupena Icchanti Tapasyam Kartum Icchati Sma. Sa Swasankalpam Matre Nyavedayat. Sa Swasankalpam Matre Nyavedayat. Tachritva Parvatyaha Mata Chintakula Abhavat. So paragraph by paragraph we will go. Narada Vachana Prabhavat. So to know something, you should be knowing about this. Janati Ichchati Yatate. These are all the three phases. First, if you want something, you should know about it. Is it not? Every one of you are fond of masala dosa because you know masala dosa. What is the taste of masala dosa? If I say chinjanju, very tasty, you all will laugh because you don't know what is a chinjanju. Is it? You don't get desire there because what you don't know, you will not get desire. So to get, when you know something, then only you will get desire about that. Understood? Narada Vachana Prabhavat. That's why advertisements are coming. First they will say this product is there. Oh, after knowing that product, you will think as I should have it. So in the olden days, this was in the verbal communication. So Narada was a Muni who was giving the information about the gods and what is happening in all the three lokas. Narada Vachana Prabhavat. Once Narada came to the palace of Parvati and told Parvati that there is a god called Shiva. He is omnipresent. He is so strong. Like this, all these things he has told. So she was so much impressed. Is it not? In the Sainik school, what will happen? Great colonel will come and he comes and tells how the army is struggling. Then how the army officers are efficient. Army officers are so strict. They are always focused on their job. Then you feel, yes, I also should become an army officer. Is it? Like that, when Narada told about the Shiva, the desire in the heart of Parvati started. Parvati Shivam Pati Rupena Icchanti. Parvati started liking that she liked Shiva should be my husband. Pati Rupena Icchanti. Pati means husband. Tapasyam Kartum Icchati Sma. So how to get Shiva? She started to do the meditation. Is it not? Many of you see on Yoga Day, so much impressed with the videos which come on Yoga Day. What is important? To become like that, you have to practice the yoga. Is it? So you will see the Mercedes-Benz advertisement. How to get it? You have to accumulate the money. Is it? So like that, this Parvati thought, if you want to get the Shiva, then there is no other way other than doing the tapasya, meditation. Tapasyam kartum icchati sma. She wanted to do the tapasya. Sa Parvati swasankalpam matre nyavedayat. She told that, my dear mother, this is my determination. I decided that I want to do the tapasya. Tat shrutva. Tat adhikam shrutva Parvatyaha mata chintakula abhavat. Parvati's mother has become very much worried. Very much worried. Is it not? The first thing when you tell to your mother, my dear mother, I want to become an army officer, what mother will think? Arey beta, the Fauj will be there and enemies will shoot at you. First thing comes to your mother's mind is that war. My son wants to become an officer, he wants to face the war. Is it? So, always mothers are very much worrying. Mothers are very much worrying. So that's why the Parvatyaha Mata Chintakula Bhavat. She started worrying so much. That why she was so much worried? Let us see. Putryaha Komalatanum Drishtva Janani Adishat Vatse Kwa Khatinam Tapaha Kvacha Tava Komalam Shariram Katham Atapat Shitatva Atmanam Rakshishyasi Tarhi Tapaha Machara Sukhena Swagruhe Eva Vasa Atraiva Vratadikam Kuru Ete Naiva Tava Manorata Purtihi Bhavishyati. So first, Putryaha Komalatanam Drishtva. The mother has looked after the daughter so nicely, and Komalatanum. Tanuhu Nam Shariram. The body of Parvati was so soft body, because she was grown up in a king's palace. She is a princess. And she was looked after so nicely, and she was so soft. Her body was so soft. Janani Adishat. Then mother ordered her. Vatse. Vatse means Putri. My dear daughter. Kwa Katinam Tapaha. Where is that hardship of the penance? It is too hard. Kvachatava Komalam Shariram. Where is that hardship? Look at your body. Your body is so soft. And you want to do such a harsh meditation. Is it not? Katham atapat shitatva atmanam rakshishyasi. How can you protect from the hot sun? Meditation cannot be done in a AC room. Is it? The tapasya should be done on the peaks of the mountains. It is too hot in the summer. Atapat, in the hot sun. And in the winter season it is too cold. Shitat va atmanam rakshishyasi. How can you protect your body from the hot sun and the so cold waves? How can you? Tarhi tapaha machara. Please don't do this tapasya. Sukhena swagruhe vasa. Please be happy and stay at home. Atraiva vratadikam kuru. If you want to do something, please do some puja, vrata. Ete naiva tava manorata purtihi bhavishyati. This is enough. By this you can become your manorataha. Manorataha means your ichcha. Manorataha nama ichcha. Your desires will be fulfilled in the home itself. Is it not? The mothers also will be telling you. Is it? If you want to become an army officer, they will keep you in the Siachen where the cold is there. How can you bear it? Sometimes they will send you to the Rajasthan, too hot. How can you bear it, my dear son? It is better you study at home. Understood? You can study at home. If you want, you can have some more coaching. Is it? But don't go. Is it? If you are at home, can you become an officer? You have to work hard to become an officer. So like that, Parvati, when she is expressing her desires, mother is telling, because it is too hard to achieve. The great things are always hard to achieve. So to achieve the great things, your determination should be very strong. मनोरथपूर्तिः भविष्यति इति। पुनरेकवारं पश्यामः। नारदवचनप्रभावात् पार्वती शिवं पतिरूपेण इच्छन्ति, तपस्यां कर्तुम् इच्छति स्म। Impressed by the Narada's words, Parvati wanted to marry Shiva and she wanted to do the tapasya. Sa swasankalpam matre nyavedayat. She conveyed her determination, her desire to her mother. Tachrutva Parvatyaha mata chintakula abhavat. After listening to the Parvati, the mother Mena has become very much worried. The mother of Parvati is Mena. Putryaha komalatanum drishtva. After looking at the soft body of Parvati, Janani adishat. Mother ordered. Vatse kwa katinam tapaha. Kwa nama kutra. Where is the hard penance? Kvacha tava komalam shariram. Where is your soft body? See, tanu ityasya paryayapadam shariram. Katham atapat shitatva atmanam rakshishyasi. How can you protect yourself from the hot sun and the cold wave? Tarhi tapaha machara. Please don't do any penance. Sukhena swagruhe vasa. Please live happily at your own home. Atraiva vratadikam kuru. Here only if you want, do some puja and vrata. Etenaiva tava manoratha purtihi bhavishyati. By staying at home, all your desires will be fulfilled. Like this, the mother is suggesting. Mother is suggesting the daughter like this. So, does she listen or what she does? We will see in the next class. Thank you. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam.